Hey, my name is Attorney Walter, not the third. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. Let's look at question 122. How many packs do you smoke a day? This is 122 out of the top 200 Social Security Disability hearing questions you're likely to hear Social Security Disability hearing. Let's go into it. So how many packs of cigarettes do you smoke a day? Right? Is it like one pack? Is it two? Are you a one packer? Are you a two packer? You're a one packer, but you used to be a two packer, right? That's what you said? Okay. What kind of cigarettes do you buy? You buy the $6 pack ones, $7 pack ones? Yeah. You're not working right now? Yeah. How do you buy them? Oh, yeah, your friends buy them for you? Yeah. Yeah. So that's $7 a day. They give you a pack for $7. What do you do for them? To get a pack $7 a day? Oh, you watch their kids? Oh, okay. So you watch their kids. How often do you watch their kids? Throughout the week? Okay. All right, I got you. Okay. So you watch the kids throughout the week. So is it while they're at work? This was like a regular 9 to 8 kind of job, or a 9 to 5 job? A regular 9 to 5 job? Okay. Okay. And you do this every day during the week? Okay. So why couldn't you do the job of being a child caretaker? Right? Why couldn't you do that job? You're already doing it for the cost of cigarettes, right? That's how it'll evolve. That's how it'll go down the line. So just be aware of the how many packs a day thing do you smoke, right? Remember, if you have a question for me, shoot me an email, give me a call. If you want the most up-to-date information, shoot me an email, give me a call. Also, if you want to ask me questions, free, no cost, blah, 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 or you want to retain me or whatever, give me a call. But if you want to just ask me a question, 8 to 10 every Thursday live on YouTube, Eastern Standard Time, you can catch up with me there. I'll run hearing questions with you. I will sing songs with you. We will have a good time. All right. Also remember, if this video helped you, subscribe, like, and leave 5-star reviews on places like Google, Avo, and the Better Business Bureau. They help me prove that I am a great attorney that helps people. Which I'm trying to do, and I'm doing these videos because I know it helps you guys, and realistically I'm trying to help as many people as I can with this, which is why a lot of you have to be sitting there wondering, what the heck, this guy's helping a lot of people who are not paying him, and that is true. And if you don't know about Layla, I'm hoping that'll help her wherever she is, up in heaven or wherever beautiful place she is. So the more people I help, the more likely I have bargaining chips to get her a better afterlife. So we're going to be going on to question 123. Have an absolutely wonderful day, and we'll catch up with you later. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.